So you want to install unpasted wallpaper. Well, you're going to need glue. This is a Romans product. You could use this one or Romans 880. You have your wall covering in your hand. You're ready to go with the top of the wall covering facing your chest. You're going to apply your glue on the wall like this, evenly. Try not to add water to the glue unless you're slow and you need a little more time. Number one, adding water to the glue will buy you more time installing it. Secondly, you want to have a soft bristle brush to get all the way down here and at the top. Okay. Thirdly, you want to have a water bucket around and a nice clean cloth on your shoulder. You don't want to wipe this down with a rag. You want to wipe your hands down with a rag, and you want to use sea sponges with clean water on the wall covering. Fourth tip, put on the air conditioner so you're not sweating bullets. Fifth, okay, you want to use a level or a plumb line or a laser level. And let's just show them that the laser level is here. This laser level, I don't expect the do-it-yourselfer to have this tool. But if they look on the wall, they will see a laser line. This laser line that they see here, you're blocking the line. The laser line that they see here will tell you that this pattern is going to be level with the one over here. You see how this is the same as this? Just show them that you're blocking the laser line. Okay, just show them that the laser line is consistent, and we need to, this is called a straight match. Well, a straight match means this. These three here are going to be seen here, and again here. See these three leaves? So it's a straight match. You might have a random match where you don't get that, but you definitely want a vertical plumb line, which is what you're seeing here with this laser. If you don't have a laser, get yourself a $4 level, 24 inches, and you simply put this on the edge of your first piece so that you make sure that your first piece is straight up and down. If it's off, this is how your wall covering is going to look. You want to make it straight, and then every subsequent piece is going to be straight because each sheet has parallel edges, which means that the edge from here to here is equidistant, the same as it is here to here and here to here. And if that's the case, then we know from mathematics that we have a parallel line. So once you get this sheet plumb, then all other subsequent sheets will be plumb as well. Okay. Let's hang our sheet. Now we've already hung a few, but I want to show you how quick and easy it is. With this hand, you want one hand manipulating the paper into place. Okay? One hand is pushing it down while the other is pulling the rest of the pattern into position. My one hand is joining the seam while the other hand is laying out the rest of the wall covering. And look at what this hand is doing. I'm embedding the wallpaper, aren't I? What do I mean by that? It's not going to move after this. It's not finally embedded. It's not the end, but it's being embedded. I'm pressing it into place. Now, show them this action right here. Now that they can see the importance of the two hands. One hand is about 20 inches from the action, while the other hand manipulates. Look what I'm doing. Getting close here. Look what I'm doing. I got 3/16 of an inch. I'm moving that. I might have to go up. I might have to go down. You see this branch here, this stem? That's got to be in place here. And that's what these two hands are doing. Okay, keep coming down. Now, when I get this in place, I move over with my hand. I embed the wall covering. It can't move after that. Okay, if you don't embed it with your right hand, guess what? You got to go back and redo it. Look how it's all falling into place. And there you have it. Now, this is a firm spatula wall covering smoother. Okay, I got this from Sherwin-Williams, but you can get these online at the online paint store. Now, you might be hanging a very sensitive wall covering. Check to see if this is going to scratch it. Here's another tip. You see this damper egg? This is going to give you traction on the wall covering. If your hand is dry, it'll slide, okay? But if it's a little damp or you have a nice white cloth that's clean, you can simply do it like that. Now let's embed our wall covering and then we can trim it. This is the second to last step you're going to take when you install a wall covering where you paste the wall first, or how to install non-pasted wall covering, or how to dry hang. Okay, let's do it. I'm embedding my seam. How do I do that? I simply take my spatula at a 15-degree angle, pull it down. That's embedded. That'll be there for the rest of the installation life. Okay. I'm listening. What am I listening for? Variations in sound. If I hear what sounds like crackly pop, I know I got air beneath it. I got to work on it. Just listen. Come in close. So far, so good. Come up. Come in close. Just listen. Does everybody hear that? Come in close. Listen. You hear that? We got air. And we simply push it out just like that. Very simple. But you got to listen. You're using your hands here, your eyes, and your ears. As they say in New York, if you see something, say something. You ever hear that corny logo? Okay. Folks, listen to this. Listen to the variation. You see, with a busy pattern like this, you can't see it. But now, come in close. Watch this. Listen. Come in close. Everybody hear that? What do you see here, folks? You hear it? We detected a dry spot. You don't want that. Okay, so what am I doing? I am literally displacing glue from beneath, bringing it up. Very simple. You understand what I mean? We have a bed of glue under here. We're simply skimming. We're stealing from one part to put it in another. Okay, completely acceptable. Okay, almost done. Just go behind me a little bit. Okay, come back in. This wall covering, you might say, oh, you're a great installer. But let me just tell you the truth. This wallpaper is excellent. The seams hide themselves, okay? If you have basic skills, you can do this too. If you have any questions about this installation or any other, how to install vinyl, how to install gold, how to install foil, whatever you want, give me a question. I'll get back to you. If not the same day, certainly within the next 24 hours. And there you have it. Let's show them how to cut it. This video has been done for those of you who never install wall covering. Come down close. We're going to put our spatula in there. We are cutting on this side of the smoother, not on this side. Folks, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.